Right about now, I have cut my pattern into two. So I have my front pattern here, my back pattern here. Now I've cut my fabric as well. So for the side, I added 1.5 inch seam allowance, and at the hem, you can see it's 1.5 inch seam allowance, and at the hem I added 1.5 inch hem allowance as well, and at the upper part I added half inch sewing allowance. So that's for my front pattern. And to the back, I added the same measurements to it. So at the hem I added 1.5 inch, at the side I added 1.5 inch as well, which I will be taking out, and at the upper part I added half inch. Mind you, for my darts I've notched it, so with the help of my scissors I notched it so as to know where I'm going to take in the darts. And for the zip allowance I added 1 inch, so that's what I'll be using to take in my zip. And I told you I'll be teaching you how to create events. To create events is very simple. So yeah, firstly I want the opening to be 4 inches. So from my hem I measure up 4 inches. So that's where I want my vent to stop on the fabric. So I measure out 2 inches from the center back. You can note it here that it is at the center back I added my zip allowance. So there I'm going to take it out 2 inches all the way down. So that's how to create events. And for the sewing, I'm going to be giving you pictorial presentation. Thank you.